Start. This year, on World Health Day, April 7, a patient asymptomatic for COVID 19 was admitted with chest pain in a hospital in Maharashtra. Stop. Diagnosed with coronary artery disease, he was treated surgically. Stop. 5 days later, he developed COVID 19 pneumonia and eventually succumbed. Stop. Did he come infected or did he get infected in the hospital? Question mark. Either way, evidence is clear for community transmission. Stop. The hospital was closed for containment of further transmission. Stop para. Similar events have recurred across several parts of the country. Stop. At the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, many doctors, nurses, and other staff became infected with SARS-CoV-2 and had to be quarantined, depleting a range of healthcare professionals. Stop. On April 8, a government hospital in Jahangirpuri, Delhi, was closed after 14 doctors and nurses were found positive for the novel coronavirus infection. Stop. Recent reports indicate that 1 in 15 SARS-CoV-2 infected individuals in the national capital is a healthcare worker. Stop para. What about individual medical practitioners? Question mark. On April 9, a 62-year-old physician in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, to whom many slum dwellers came for care, died of COVID 19 despite treatment. Stop. The chief medical officer within bracket CMO told the media that his contact history was unknown, dash, most likely from a patient. Stop. Did the doctor lower his guard as the official version was within quote no community transmission in India quotation close question mark para. The next day, an Ayurvedic physician aged 65 died of COVID 19 in Indore. Stop. Again, the CMO confessed that contact history was unknown, colon, perhaps from some patient. Stop para. On April 14, a popular 76-year-old within quote family doctor died of COVID 19 in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Stop. After retiring as medical superintendent of Kurnool Medical College, he ran a private hospital. Stop. On March 25, he closed the hospital, complying with the lockdown. Stop. He died, semicolon. His wife and children tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Stop. The doctor's contact history could not be traced, semicolon, most probably from a patient. Stop para. A 55-year-old neurosurgeon died in Chennai on April 19 with severe COVID 19. Stop. Once again, the contact remains unknown. Dash. One of his patients is a good guess. Stop. Without proclamation of community transmission, respiratory precautions were perhaps deemed unnecessary by these doctors. Stop para. In all these situations, a correct understanding of the nature of the epidemic and acknowledging community transmission would have alerted the medical profession and avoided a loss of lives. Stop para. What is community transmission? Question mark. One infected person in the community unaware that he is infected infects others in the community. Stop. If A was infected by known contact B in epidemiology, we say B infected A. Stop. When contact is unknown, we say within single quote someone in the community quotation close infected A semicolon. Hence the term within quote community transmission quotation close stop. When did community transmission begin in India? Question mark. On March 18, Tamil Nadu reported the second infection in the state, an example of community transmission. Stop. A 20-year-old man traveled by train from Delhi and had no contact with any known infected person. Stop. In Chennai, he developed symptoms and tested positive on March 18. Stop. So, community transmission had started in India by or before mid March 2020. Stop para. Every pandemic emerges from a country of origin. Thus, the 2009 H1N1 influenza pandemic originated in Mexico and COVID 19 in China. Stop. For every other country, the initial infection would be within quote imported from another country. Stop. Importation means that the traveler got infected in a foreign country but developed symptoms and got diagnosed in the host country. Stop. If secondary transmission occurs from the imported infection, it is qualified as contact of imported case. Stop. If the importation contact further infects someone in the host country, such infection by in-country transmission is called within quote local, within quote indigenous or within quote autochthonous infection. Stop. This is epidemiologically important information. Stop. It indicates the start of in-country epidemic. In other words, when the imported infection becomes indigenous. Stop. As the epidemic advances, community transmission is natural and inevitable. Stop. If the intention is to intercept chains of transmission, then there should be acknowledgement of indigenous within bracket community transmission. Stop. Para. A country denies community transmission at its own peril. Stop. In times of epidemics, leaders may be tempted to deny the problem, but prudence is the better part of valor. Stop. Once community transmission of COVID 19 came to light on March 18, warning all medical professionals coupled with strong recommendations for strict implementation of appropriate protective gear by all health professionals in all levels of healthcare was the correct public health procedure. Stop para. The lives of many healthcare professionals need not and should not have been lost on account of semantic misinterpretation of epidemiology. Stop. Admitting community transmission does not lower the honor of Mother India in the eyes of foreigners. Semicolon. On the contrary, it boosts the sagging morale of healthcare professionals, prevents avoidable loss of manpower in the face of epidemic, and preserves the integrity of the entire healthcare system. Stop para. Protecting the lives of healthcare professionals by acknowledging community transmission and strict implementation of appropriate personal protective equipment will ensure that there is no attrition of the pool of healthcare professionals needed to deal with the epidemic. Stop. Such a courageous step taken with openness only enhances national prestige. Stop.